Well, hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Cowboy Survival. Went down to Harbor Freight today, found some items I thought were kind of interesting. You might want to see them. I thought you might find them something you might want to add to your survival kit. Anyway, let's just get into the video. So they got these really cool lights here. You can get these at a lot of places. You can get them at Walmart now, but they're here. They're only $4.99. That's a pretty good deal if you're looking for one of these lights. About 250 lumens. You can just pop it up. It's got a magnet on the bottom. You can hang it. Really nice little deal if you're looking for a little light to have for emergency light. I found these twist ties. Pack of 100 11-inch twist ties for only $1.99. That's a good deal, I think. Let's go see what else. These are kind of nice. It's a pack of terry cloth towels, and they're really nice for only $8.99. You get 12 of them. You never have too many hand rags or towels sitting around to clean stuff with, and you can always rinse these out. They're better than the disposable ones. You can rinse them out and reuse them. Great thing to have around, particularly if you need to clean things. So if you for a small flashlight for your backpack, there you go. It's only 85 lumens, but it's also only $6.99. It's better than those lights that cost you $40. Works on batteries. It'll be a nice little quick flashlight to add in a bag that you might not use very often. So they've got a lot of different gloves. Those are actually on clearance for $7.99. I tried them. They're kind of stiff. They kind of felt really stiff. The goatskin leather, they're pretty inexpensive at $8.99. The fingers weren't real supple. They kind of felt floppy and they didn't fit your fingers at all. The best ones I found fit my hand. They're, of course, the most expensive ones. These ones at $14.99. But boy, they feel really soft. They feel just like a mechanic's glove. I'm going to pick me up a pair of these. I think they're pretty nice. This is the one I think I would pick rather than one of these other ones. Of course, they've got lots of tarps here. Really decent prices. It's a big one, 15 by 19, $20. There's one 11 by 17, 10 by 12 for $29. There's a 9 by 11 camo for $9.99. Those are more like plastic kind of tarps, 5 mil thick. They got canvas tarps too if you want to spend a little more money. There's a 10 by 12, it's $64.99. But if you're willing to get sort of a plastic, one of these polyurethane kind of tarps, this is not bad. Bad prices. You can get good prices here. And then if you really want the really nice canvas ones, you get those. They're going to be a lot heavier. You won't want to carry those in a backpack, but they're really nice tarps. Well, there you have it. 7 items from Harbor Freight. Might want to add them to your kit. Maybe you find them useful information to have and to know. There are other things down there. They got knives. They got an $8.99 survival knife, which I'm not sure it's anything I'd want. It looks like it'd be heavy, but you can find other videos about that. Was not able to find the brand new Harbor Freight survival kit. The guy at the store, we have a fairly small store in my town. He told me that they get in maybe 2 or 3 a week, and as soon as they get them, they're sold. So I'm going to keep trying to get one of those, and as soon as I do, I'll do a review of that here on the channel. So anyway, as we always say, stay strong, stay prepared, and have a blessed day. We'll see you real soon here on Cowboy Survival.